What in the world does primary non-contributory mean? Let's jump right into this. Primary and non-contributory endorsements, or policy language, make a specific insurance policy primary, meaning to go first, and non-contributory, meaning without contribution over other insurance policies of a specific party. This party is typically an additional insured. For example, a contractor may be required to provide liability insurance to a property owner that is primary and non-contributory. This means that the contractor's policy must provide benefits before the applicable policies respond. In other words, the contractor's policy provides benefits on a primary basis and without seeking contribution from other applicable policies. Now, if you found yourself lost, don't worry. We're going to break this down for you so it's really easy for you to digest. Let's look at both parts of this to explain it better. The primary part shows that the policy will be triggered first in the event of a claim. This dictates the order of whose policy will have to pay the claim. The non-contributory part means that the policy will not seek contribution from any other policy in order to cover the claim. So this policy is responsible for paying the claim to the extent of its insurance coverage. Only if its limits are exhausted could the rest of the claim be tendered to another party involved. Let's imagine the owner of a hotel chain has acquired some land in downtown Chicago to build a new hotel. The owner hires a general contractor to oversee and manage the construction of the hotel. The contractor will then hire other contractors and subcontractors to build the hotel. The construction contract will include agreed upon insurance requirements, which requires the general contractor and all subcontractors to name the owner as an additional insured on a primary and non-contributory basis. You following me here? During construction, the subcontractor who was using a crane caused injury to someone who was passing by the worksite. The subcontractor had not properly rigged the materials, and things fell to the ground and created debris that injured the person who was walking by. This person sues the owner, the general contractor, and the subcontractor who caused the injury due to improper rigging. When the owner receives the claim, they tender it to the general contractor, who then tenders the claim to the subcontractor. The subcontractor's insurance, which names the owner and the general contractor as additional insureds on a primary and non-contributory basis, responds to the claim on behalf of all the parties. The subcontractor's insurance responds first and without seeking contribution from the insurance policies of the owner and the general contractor. In the event that the subcontractor's insurance limits are completely exhausted by the claim, then the policies of the general contractor and the owner will respond in accordance with the contract requirements. The contract usually requires that the general contractor's insurance responds on a primary and non-contributory basis for the owner, who's an additional insured, thus creating another layer of protection for the owner. We hope that the example was helpful in understanding the importance of primary non-contributory endorsements. Thank you for watching, and please check out other videos by subscribing to BCS University below and watch these videos. Ciao!